kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Man laki brio ki donya ka jong ka jing tinjo ka ba kin hap banya kun haka jing im jong ki ka ba man ka sngi. Kane ka kubor ka ba ngiwan lam shapi minta ka day shapang iwe I Heprit ibadon kat lai snem ka rita. But iba yashim benta haka Jingmareh ka balong ha Sohra ha sngi satjan ka ar punyaw tarik nailur arajar ar pusan ya ka balatip kum ka fourth Sohra International Half Marathon. Ini Heprit idei balatip kerteng kum iraya abana marpan padang puli ha class 7 ha Pine Mount School Shillong. But iba day badon ka Jingpang Shini lene type 1 diabetes na do ba idang rit. Kumba long lang kiwe kibaya shimbenta hakate ka Jingmareh I Heprit raya abana ru ila po siya Sohra na do shwaban kinjat syai ka beneng da ka minsim banya kun bat ban Pyndep ya ka Jingmareh. Kila don da ki hajar ngut kinong Mareh hakate ka limpung henre ngishem ba I Heprit raya abana ilong ibakam kerpang. Man la kasngi I hap ban im hakane ka Jingpang ka bangis ngau tu ka long ka jing tinju ka bakraw. Nado ka jing hap ban pikir ya ka bam, ka jing testa ban pet ya ka jing yar ne jing kiyo ka Shini, pat ka jing di dawai. Wat hapadeng ka ne ka jing tinjo, I Heprit raya bana, I don ka jing mut ka baklan, ban ya kun, bat ban tur siya perang. Da ka jing la ban Pyndep ya ka ne ka Jingmareh, I Heprit raya bana, ila penken mau yang ngi salon sar, pa ka jing klan kam day ne ka reta, ne ka jing tinjo ka bangimat. Henry ka day ka jing IT lut met bat mensim ha kanu ka kam ka bangile.
Hello. I'm getting my stuff. So here are the numbers.
Raya Abana.
Em hai em đã không này.
So we got our shirt and the number. And I'm ready for my run. I finally got my bib and my number. And I'm so excited for the run. And I got this all from JN Stadium in Polo.
Okay.
It's kind of high.
Here we are in Sohra with Raya.
Hi.
How was the feeling after your first Sohra marathon?
I feel very excited and exhausted. It's because mostly from the sun.
Did you get a chance to meet Marikom?
Yes.
How was the feeling after meeting her?
I was so excited. I shook her hand. It was so fun. I socialized with some people during the run and I met some friends from school also.
What's the message you want to convey to your young friends who will be watching the video?
Never give up and focus on your dreams.